Hey everybody, Stop, Drop, and Breathe Friday. What's up? I'm Lisa. Woo! I'm so excited to be here. Just listening to some hand drum right now, hand pan. Love the sound. All right, so let's see. I seriously have still not figured out how to see who's here. All right, so if you are here, because I see people watching, what's up? Today we are doing what I'm calling chakra programming. So we are going to just move up the chakras, working with the energy center of the chakra, the color of the chakra, and I am statement. So we're going to do like a programming so we can really begin to tell ourselves what we are, because you are what you say you are, right? Every I am statement is so powerful. And we are saying things to ourselves all the time. We are constantly programming different little, leakage. Words are leaking out all the time. And so this is going to be just quick 15 minutes of charging, aligning, and activating, and just almost like reminding yourself and your body who you are, what it is that you can do with the chakra alignment, and also just use your breath to connect inward. And, it's like a blue velour jumpsuit kind of day here in New York City. It's like rainy, and I'm just excited to end this week with some Stop, Drop, and Breathe chakra programming. All right, so we are going to stand up. And for anyone who doesn't know, there are 7 chakras, and we're going to work our way from the base all the way up to the top. And I will be guiding what programming statement that you are going to be doing. All right, so I would love to hear, before we get started, is there anything that you want to declare as your I am statement? Like in your life right now, I am energized, I am focused. Because I may not say the one that you're going to be wanting for your own system. So let's charge it up here. Like for me right now, I'm really wanting to be in optimal health. And I think that I want to say for myself, I am fit, I am energized, I am abundant. These are just some more ideas for you. So if you want, just write them in the comments so I can see. I'm going to start. I am fit and healthy. All right, let's see. There you go. There's the first one. And the first thing we're going to do is actually just shake it off, shake it out. Because you know what? The best way to come alive is through shaking. So you ready? All right. Switch the vibe here. Get on up. Okay, here we go. Stop, drop, and breathe. Fridays at 1 with me, Lisa. Here we go. So we're going to be doing that connected breath in and out through the mouth. But for this first one, you're just going to start. Just shake. Just waking up. Feel the whole body moving up and down. You want to have that yes feeling. We hold so much in our necks. Really let it go. Let it go. Breathing in through your mouth. Out through your mouth. Let your hands loose, your fingers, your neck, your shoulder. Almost like it gets to be like a little massage. Inhale in. And on the exhale, gibberish it out. Breathe it in. Yes, Gisela, my third eye hat in full effect. Wait, I always get it wrong. Okay, breathing in. Breathing out. All right, here we go. Feel your breath. Feel your body waking up. Stop, drop, and breathe is all about stopping to get present, dropping inward to our bodies and our breath. Breathing deep. Yeah, keep on going, keep on going. And always, as always, make it your own. Breathing in, all you have to do is keep moving and keep breathing. There's no right or wrong. Woo! Yes, you can move your hands out. Just a little bit longer here. Stay with it. Stay with the breath. Good to use your sound. Good to use your breath and your sound. Vibrates. Woo! All right. Working with our root chakra, the color red. We're going to be breathing in red, and it is I am grounded. It's a low vibration sound. Hands are down or on your hip area, your sex center. This is I am grounded. I am grounded. My heels are hitting the floor. It unlocks your hips and the fear that we hold in our hips and our jaws. Those are the two places we hold a lot of fear. I am grounded. Say to yourself, I am grounded. I am grounded. I am grounded. Take a deep breath. Feel yourself slowing down or stopping, and what happens when you stop. Take a deep breath in and out. That was our sex center, creativity. We're moving up to creativity. Orange. This is where ideas are born. This is where we have our creative center, reproductive organs, the color orange, and we're going to be using I am capable. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, opening to all your ideas, giving birth to them. Yes, opening. I am capable. I am creative. Yes, breathing in, breathing out. Imagine the color orange coming in, moving around. I am capable. Keep bouncing if that feels good. I am capable. Breathing in. I am capable. Moving up to yellow. Your power center right here. Right above your belly button, 3 inches. I am powerful. I like to punch out this one actually, or go like this, like a sun. It's like bursting. Your inner power, the color yellow. I am powerful. Yes, burst it open. I am powerful. I am powerful. Yes. Woo! Few more. Breathing in, tuning in. Color yellow. It's just your sunlight, and you're bright, and you're shining, and you're coming out into the world with all your gifts, with all your knowledge, with all your wisdom. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back in. Pause for a moment. Moving up to the heart. You can work with I am love or I am lovable. And you're going to just breathe in. Slowing it down and really connecting. Opening up your heart. Use your hands. Breathing in. I am love. Come back in. I am lovable. Come back to the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Expanding into love. Coming back safely to guard and protect your love. Vulnerability, boundaries, they go together. Opening, stay with the breath. Coming back to the breath. I am love. Smile as you breathe this love energy in for not only yourself, but anyone who needs it right now in our world who might be suffering. A few more here. This one's a big one for us. Breathing in. One more deep and deep breath. Open up. Give yourself a hug on this one. Breathe here just for 1-2 breaths. This love energy. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. I love myself. Can't hear that enough. Your body needs to hear it. Throat chakra. Color blue. This is about expression. I'm going to go with I am grateful here, but if you want to say something else, I am creating, expressing myself, expressing my truth. Get into it. Feel the move. This is about water. This chakra is about motion. Speaking your truth. Inhale. Flowing through life, feeling grateful. Gratitude breeds gratitude. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Gratitude. Breathe it out. I express myself fully. Yes. I am not afraid to say yes or no. Inhale. Exhale. Flow. Be in your expression. I am grateful for everything I have, who I am, and who I'm becoming. Slowing it down. Breathing it up. Just pulling all the chakras up so far as we move to a very special place. Our third eye. It's my third eye hat. Mexico style. Breathe in. To your deep knowing. Inhale. I know, I always know. And the affirmation is going to be, I am divine. You might want to touch that part of your body. Breathe in. Just closing your eyes for a moment as you just tap into this space of I am divine. This is a higher frequency sound. Feel all your knowledge going in and out. The color purple. Inhale, opening up to what you don't know and sharing what you know and believing that you know and you always know because you are divine. Allowing your third eye to guide you. I am guided. I am guided. I am always guided. Top of your head, last chakra. Opening up to universe. Color white. I am connected. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your connection. Really believing that the energy comes in all the way down and back up as your chakras are opening and activated and aligned. Inhaling to the top of your head, the color white. Breathing in white, light, letting it guide you. Wherever you are, you're always tapped in, like imagine you're plugged in from your top of your head into this portal of knowledge and energy and source energy that's above us always. Breathe in. Just touching the top of your head, standing with your feet slightly apart, loosen your knees, and just really feeling from your base chakra, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, all the way up and back down, just breathing with full chakra alignment. Just reiterating your own I am statement. I am alive. I am ready. I am Lisa. And I am so grateful that you are here. Thank you for being here. Stop, drop, and breathe every Fridays. I believe in you. Do you believe in you? Reach out if you need anything. Happy manifesting. See you next week. Bye.